Hey, there's Quinn.
Got you with the snowballs.
In the snow. What are we doing, Quinn? We're out in the snow?
Yep.
We're checking in from Medfield, Massachusetts, in the 2013 blizzard nor'easter storm. We're trying to dig out. We got about 2 feet of snow, a little more. It's drifting much higher in places. We're working on digging out and blowing out right now. Been working at it. Let's give you an idea. On the deck we had like 28 inches. Out here it's about these areas. There's more area that's been blown away, I think. So somewhere between 24 and 28 inches of snow, I think, in that neighborhood. There's Quinn. Quinn's having fun playing snowballs and digging. Our neighbors are digging out down there. And we are having a good time. Just a lot of snow. There goes the snowplow.
Hey, Daddy, Daddy. Daddy, look how big this snowball is.
Yeah, it's a big one. Hey, who you want to say hi to?
I don't know.
Oh.
Daddy!
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Dada.
All right, let's get back to work, right, buddy? Okay.